What's up guys, I'm Sean. This is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma, and today I'm about to do a quick, simple, and cheap mod. These are the LED lights I picked up from Amazon. It's made by Autogen LED. It was about 20 bucks shipped. It comes with a pair of map lights, some vanity mirror lights, dome lights, and the license plate light, and the install tool. I might not install the license plate light, I may just keep it as spares for the map light. And it comes with instructions as well, and it should be pretty straightforward as far as popping out the bulbs and installing the new bulbs. And one thing to note is that the vanity mirror LEDs has polarity, so if it doesn't work you just have to flip it. Here's the stock interior lights. It has the yellowish halogen look. And it's pretty dim in here. Here's the vanity lights. Still has that yellowish halogen look to it. We're going to start with the driver's side vanity light. We're going to use our little pry tool and pop off this plastic cover. I'm doing it with my left hand. There it is. You can remove the stock bulbs with your finger if you can get in there, or like a tiny screwdriver or a pick tool. I have a few different pick tools to try. This one should do the trick. Stock bulb comes out and you put in the LED bulbs. Here's the new LED bulbs. Obviously the LED points outward. This is the back of it. And when you install it like this, and if it doesn't work, then you flip it 180 and install it. Here it is installed. LED versus stock. Huge difference. Super white and bright. This is kind of yellowish. Now I'm going to reinstall the cover. Just pop it back on. And here's another test. LED, stock. Big difference. So now I'm going to do the same for this side and this side. Both sides of the vanity lights are done. Super bright now. It's hard to tell right now because it's sunny, but I'll do another shot in the dark. Now we're going to work on the map lights, and you just stick your little pry tool in the center. Just pop it out like this. Comes out, and there's a little switch for the light. You can barely see it, but you can press that in and it turns off the light. Then I'm going to pull out the light using a little piece of tape. I pulled out the light bulb using a little piece of tape. Now I'm going to install the new LED light bulb. Very straightforward. You just slide it in. LED bulb is in. Let's give it a test. Super bright and white compared to the yellow halogen. Now I'll reinstall this cap. So I'm going to do the same for the other side. Both sides are done. Now we're going to move to the dome light right here. Stick my pry tool here and here and just pop off this cover. Just pop off the bulb and put in the new bulb. Here is the LED bulb. It has about 15 LEDs and a nice little heat sink in the back. LED bulb installed. Super bright. Now I'm going to pop on the cover. Alright guys, everything done. Let's see how it looks with the LED light bulbs installed. The map lights, the center dome light, and the vanity lights. Definitely a lot brighter than before. Now if I drop something, plenty of light to find it. Not bad for about 20 bucks shipped in 10 minutes of time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.